Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Easy Platters. In today's video, we'll be preparing a barbecue platter for you and all your friends to enjoy. First, we started by making a vinaigrette coleslaw by slicing cabbage and carrots. Added some extra virgin olive oil followed by some rice vinegar. Season with salt and pepper to taste and add a little bit of sugar. Mix together well. For our mayo coleslaw, just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayo instead of the oil and vinegar. For the grilled veggies, slice peppers, zucchinis, and eggplant all about the same size. Make sure to cut off the ends of the asparagus. For preparing the ribs, start by removing the membrane on the back. You may cut them in half if needed. For seasonings, I added thyme and rosemary, Old Bay spice, crushed garlic, olive oil, and barbecue sauce. Mix it well. You may cook these ribs any way you like, but today we decided to do it in sous vide. For the shrimps, squeeze the juice of half a lemon, Cajun seasoning spice, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. Mix together well. For the portobello mushrooms, we season them with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, thyme and rosemary, and lastly pesto sauce. You can use the same seasoning mix for the peppers and eggplants. Start by grilling the vegetables until cooked. To season the lamb, You need pesto, chopped garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, and we added some steak spice. For the pork chops, we season them with salt, pepper, steak spice, and some olive oil. The beef burgers we also seasoned with salt, pepper, and steak spice. Grilled pork chops, lamb chops, and beef burgers. We also added hot dogs and sausages to the grill, and thyme and rosemary for garnish and aroma. After the sous vide ribs are done, grill them on each side. Brush them with barbecue sauce as they are cooking. We also fried some French fries. There are two types of burgers we've prepared today: beef burgers and veggie burgers. We used portobello mushrooms in our veggie burger. Pair your beef burgers with our creamy coleslaw and veggie burgers with our vinaigrette coleslaw. Lastly, we put all of the grilled meat on our platters for our guests to enjoy. This was our backyard summer barbecue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please make sure to leave a comment down below, and also let us know what you'd like to see next. Please subscribe and like, and thank you very much.